both military and civilians, said this is completely irregular, beyond irregular. And now we have all the HD footage and the telemetry. The helicopter just goes up and then just tracks and goes right into the passenger jet. And I posted on X some of the newest videos. One of them Nick Sordor has. And here it is. This is close up from Fox. And we have also close up HD. And it looks like somebody hacked into the automation system, which those helicopters do have, and either hijacked it by remote control, or you had what you've seen a lot of times with these Islamic pilots that'll work.
Okay, so I'm gonna stop it right there for just a moment.